In this video, I am going to tell you about datetime API. Okay, so in Java 8, what new feature came in datetime API which was not there in before Java 8? Okay, so before Java 8, what was there? There was java.sql.date and java.util.date. So basically, sql.date was the child class for java.util.date. But the problem was which one we have to import, that was creating confusion. Okay, so if I'm importing java.util.date, so basically it will have the property of sql.date as well. Okay, but when I'm going to print that, it will print me date as well as time. But the question is, when I'm expecting date, then why it is printing me time? It is not right, correct? So after Java 8, that feature came where there will be a separate package for date and time. Okay, so it will be there in java.time package. So let me show you that. So here you can see there is java.time.localDate and java.time.localDateTime. Okay, so if you implement that, then all will be there in one single package. There is no separate package in the like java.sql.date and java.util.date. Okay, so if I run this program, you will see now date is coming properly here. You will see now date is coming properly. Okay, so here you can see first I was printing the date D. Okay, so this was getting data from java.util.date. So here you can see it is java.util.date, but it is printing me time as well. That is not correct. Okay, so I want date, so it should print me only date, not time. Okay, but as soon as I am printing java.sql.date, it is printing me the only date. Okay, so we need to convert util.date to sql.date so that we get the only date, but that is not the case after Java 8. After Java 8, what is happening? There is local date. Okay, separate class has been there in java.time package. Okay, so in that, if we use local date.off, if you print that, it will directly print me the local date instance, which is a part of datetime API after Java 8. So now it will not contain any date. Sorry, it will not contain any time. Okay, it will contain only date. So that is important concept which you have to learn. Okay, and if you want time, then you can see there is local date time class as well. Okay, which is present in java.time package. Okay, here you can see it is present in java.time.localDateTime, and here you see it is present in java.time.localDate. Okay, so this is very important to understand. So now there is no separate package like java.sql.date and java.util.date. No, it's not like that. So here also you can see here it is java.util.date and here it is java.sql.date. Okay, so these two dates, why it should be kept in different package, that was creating a lot of confusion. So to avoid that confusion, Java 8 people has evolved with new set of features for Java 8 where we don't have to worry about SQL date or util date. So only one date we have to understand, like java.time.date or java.time.localDate or java.time.localDateTime. Okay, so that only we have to understand. If you want date, take local date. If you want time along with date, take local date time. Okay, so now it's your homework to understand like how can you fetch the time part from local date time. Let's suppose you want only time. So how can you do that? That is a homework for you. Okay, so that was it for the video. I hope you have understood the concept, you have learned something from it. Okay, so if you learned it, please like and subscribe this video and the channel as well, so that you will get similar kind of videos again and again. Cheers.